In recent years, and in particular in the years since the pandemic, Texas has had extraordinary population and economic growth. Texas has been growing recently at roughly twice the rate of the rest of the United States. And now, as businesses and policymakers and other stakeholders look to the future, they need to understand whether or not Texas will be able to sustain this heightened level of growth. One of the primary factors driving population and economic growth in the state of Texas has been the competitive fiscal and regulatory environment in the state. This became especially true after 2017 when the 2017 tax reform capped the state and local tax deduction, tipping the scale in favor of low tax jurisdictions like Texas. The second major factor contributing to population growth in the state of Texas has been the abundance of housing supply in the state. Between 2020 and 2024, Texas had the third fastest growing population of any state in the nation. Over that same time period, Texas had the lowest increase in home prices of any state whose population growth exceeded the national average. And that's largely due to the abundance of housing supply that allowed our population to increase without the corresponding increase in home prices. A third major driver of economic and population growth in the state of Texas has been the surge of remote workers that moved to the state. This is actually a trend that started before the pandemic and accelerated in its aftermath. This could be a major driver of economic and population growth in Texas in the years to come. But I believe that the factors that we identified over longer time horizons will continue contributing to sustained growth in the Lone Star State.